Ubuntu versus Debian. Probably the most passionate debate in Linux. One values rock-solid stability, the other prioritizes user experience. So, which one should you choose? Hit that subscribe button, and let's settle this once and for all. Debian's been around since 1993. It's the grandfather of stability. Pure open-source philosophy, release-when-ready approach, and loved by system administrators who need bulletproof servers. Ubuntu launched in 2004, built on Debian but reimagined for everyday users. It's backed by Canonical, ships every 6 months, and focuses on making Linux accessible without the complexity. Here's where things get spicy. Release cycles. Ubuntu LTS drops every 2 years with 5-year support, predictable and time-based. Debian? They release when it's ready, usually every 2 years, but there's no guarantee. You might wait 18 months or longer. Software freshness. Ubuntu pulls from Debian unstable with faster 6-month cycles, while Debian prioritizes thorough testing over latest features. Translation? Ubuntu gets newer packages faster, Debian gets them more stable. Debian stable often features older software versions. For example, Debian 11 shipped with GNOME 3.38 instead of the latest 3.4. Hardware support. This is huge. Ubuntu includes proprietary drivers and firmware out of the box, while Debian ships only open-source software by default. Got new hardware or an NVIDIA GPU? Ubuntu just works. Debian requires manual setup. System resources. Debian runs lighter with lower hardware requirements, making it perfect for older machines, while Ubuntu demands more but delivers a polished modern interface. Package management. Both use apt, but here's the kicker. Ubuntu adds snap packages by default, which Debian doesn't include. Plus, Ubuntu has PPAs for easily installing newer software. Debian purists use backports instead. Bottom line, Debian is for users who want maximum stability, control, and don't mind getting hands dirty. Perfect for servers and mission-critical systems. Ubuntu is for users who want things working immediately with modern software and hardware support. Ideal for desktops and beginners. The debate, it's really about philosophy. Do you want software freedom and stability, or convenience and cutting-edge features? Both are excellent, just for different users. So, which team are you on? Debian stability or Ubuntu convenience? Drop your choice in the comments. And if you want more Linux deep dives, smash that like button and subscribe. Links to both distros are in the description. See you next time.